Hey class, so today we're going to be doing an asynchronous assignment on fossils. So, so what is a fossil? So I'm going to read through these and then uh, I'm going to show you what I want you to do. So, um, so fossils, as we know, are preserved evidence of prehistoric life, and fossils can be classified as body fossils and trace fossils. There are two other fossils that they can be to be classified as, but we're not talking about those today. Those are mold and cast. We're not talking about those today. So let's move on. And then when you get on here, it's not showing because we're in a present mode. Um, there's a video, this video here that I want you to go. And our question is, what is a paleontologist? So paleontologist. So when you watch this video, you'll discover what a paleontologist is, and you can probably get a clue from what we're talking about, which are fossils. So that is a clue to what this job may be, and it also tells you a little bit about it on this slide. So let's move forward. So, oops, we're not going to play it. So, trace fossils. I'm going to read these for you in case people do want them to be read. If you don't want it read, you can pause it at any time and read it yourself. So it says impressions or other preserved signs of activity, such as feeding, scratching, burrowing, walking, or resting. And also says about the difference between a trace and a body fossil is there are only impressions left behind and not the actual remains of the animal or plant. So these are just impressions of those things. Let's go to the next one. And then here is a body fossil, which is right here. A body fossil, which is a picture on the right, which is a T-Rex bones, or Tyrannosaurus Rex to be exact, bones which were preserved as a whole. And these body fossils are plants and animal remains, such as leaves, teeth, bones, and usually consist of the entire animal or plant itself. Like actual body parts and plant parts are the things that are preserved. So what you want to do on this page, I want you to do, I see, I think, I wonder. So you see these two pictures here that were bigger. You're going to type here, you're going to I just want to talk about your noticing. This right here is a trace fossil. This one is a body fossil. I just want to hear your noticing, what you think, what do you think you see? What do you wonder about it? So I see, I think, and I wonder. And we know how to do that because we do that daily with our morning activities. So let's go on to the next page. So this one here is a little body skeleton matching. So you're going to match the body fossil using these red lines here. You're going to match them up with the corresponding animal. So you're going to drag them. You know how to drag and pull these all which way. So I shouldn't have to explain this. So you're going to look at these different types of dinosaurs and then these different type of body skeletons, which are on this side. And you're going to match them up for me. And then the last thing I want you to do, which is, let me go back to present mode so you can see these better. And let me get myself out the way. So I want you to type in this on the left-hand side, type two things you learned about fossils. So two things you learned through going through this whole slideshow. So, and even you can, then on the right, just about the fossils, I want you to know, I want you to tell me, if you could be a paleontologist for a day, what fossils would you explore? What type of fossils would you want to explore? What type of maybe animal remains or even plants would you like to explore, and why? So I want you to type in complete sentences, and that will be done. You can submit this on Google Classroom when you're done. Thank you. I'm going to stop sharing. I'm going to stop reading.